Serap also urged Tinubu to seek legal advice from the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of the Justice, Lateef Fagbemi, on whether the CBN has legal obligation to uphold the rule of law in its operations by suspending the ATM fee hike. Serap had last month filed a lawsuit against the CBN over its failure to reverse what is described as a penalty unlawful, unfair and just increase in ATM transaction fees. The CBN had announced that ATM withdrawals at off-premises machines would now attract a charge of 100 naira per 20,000 naira withdrawn, with additional subcharges of up to 500 naira at locations such as shopping centers and airports. Serap argued that proceedings with the implementation of the new charges while the lawsuit is pending will undermine the judicial process and violate the principles of the rule of law. The organization stated that the CBN was bound to maintain the status quo as of February 26, 2025, when it was formally served with the court document. The CBN has a duty to uphold due process, protect the integrity of the judicial system, and ensure that its policies do not render the rule of law meaningless, Serap stated. By moving ahead with the ATM fee hike, the CBN would be engaging in an act of self-help which is unacceptable under the law. The advocacy group further warned that allowing the CBN to continue with the implementation of the new charges would set a dangerous precedent, potentially encouraging other government agencies to disregard pending court cases. The credibility of the judiciary is at stake, Serap said. If the CBN is allowed to proceed with its fee hike, other government institutions may adopt similar dismissive attitude towards court proceedings. Serap's lawsuit filed on February 24, 2025, on the case number FAC/L/CS/344/2025, seeks a court determination on whether the CBN's decision to increase ATM fees is arbitrary, unfair, and in violation of the Federal Competition and Consumer Protection Act 2018 (FCPCP). The human rights group also reminded President Tinubu of his inaugural promises to govern Nigeria in accordance with the Constitution and the rule of law. Serap emphasized that judicial independence requires that cases be allowed to proceed without undue interference, ensuring that decisions are made based on the merits of the argument presented in court. Controversial Nigerian rapper Speed Darlington has claimed that the recent Sex for Lambo saga involving Grammy-winning singer Burna Boy and socialist Sophia Egweje was staged to prove the singer's sexual orientation. Nigerian social media erupted last week after a leaked audio emerged in which Sophia accused Burna of having an affair with her and failing to fulfill his promise of buying her a Lamborghini. Speed Darlington, who has previously claimed that Burna Boy was only able to win a Grammy after having an illicit relationship with embattled American music executive Sean Combs, aka Diddy, suggested that the Grammy winner is using his controversy with Sophia to prove he isn't gay. Speaking in a video message shared via his Instagram, Speed Darlington said, "See nigga, you are killing yourself running up and down, trying to prove to the rest of us that you are not gay. Now you and that girl plan that thing. I know say you go spoil your name, but I go give you small money, make you use front like say you do Olosho, make them believe say I like a woman." Before the news comes to an end, here are the headlines once again. Serap urges Tinubu to order suspension of ATM charges hike. Sex for Lambo saga staged to prove Burna Boy isn't gay, Speed Darlington claims. Thank you for staying tuned. I am Odunwayo Adelere.